Hello guys, welcome back. Today I have got the Moto Razr 60 and I'm going to show you how to use the Google Gemini Assistant. First, open Settings. You need to set a gesture for your Google Assistant. Scroll down until you see Gestures. Tap Power key here. As you can see, I've got press and hold. We need to focus and press and hold. Here, I've got Digital Assistant, tap it. Hold your power button and Gemini appeared. Let me ask, what's the weather in San Francisco right now? It says it's 12 degrees Celsius and mostly cloudy, high of 17 and low of 12. Thank you. What about Krakow in Poland? It says it's 18 degrees Celsius and cloudy light rain with a high of 18 and low of 13. What about Krakow? It says it's 18 degrees Celsius and mostly cloudy light rain with a high of 19 and low of 12. If you tap this button, you can be dragged into the conversation mode of your assistant. Goodbye.